Okay, let's go over the answer to the Power Strategy 1 question on the previous page. This is the chart in question. We know it's a Strategy 1 trade. So can you find the trade? Here's the trade, the ABCD. We've got a general trend up, so we want to be agreeing with that trend with the C to D leg. We're going to be trading the C to D leg, so we want the C to D leg to be up. Where are you going to be entering? Well, we want to enter at the 25% of the A to B leg from point C going up. So the 25% distance of A to B from point C, which is around about here. Now, again, we've adjusted the entry slightly so it's on the grid line so you can read the price for the currency unit question. What about the stop? Well, the stop will be going below point C. We've adjusted it slightly out so it can be on the grid line again for the currency unit question. What about the break even? Well, the break even is at a 1-to-1 risk reward. So we look at the distance between the entry and the stop. Now these are slightly adjusted to be on the grid lines, but when you're looking at your trades, you will be looking at the entry and the stop, the actual places of them. And you're going to be projecting that same amount of distance up in profit in order for you to be at a 1-to-1 risk reward. That place is here. And so the distance between the entry and the stop will be equal to the distance between the entry and the break-even price. And when price reaches the break-even price, you're moving your stop from the original place up to the entry price to be at break-even. So how many currency units will we trade here? We know it's a US dollar against Japanese yen trade. We know we got a $20,000 account, 3% risk. Entry at 10698. Stop at 10665. So let's use the trade size calculator. So we've got a $20,000 account, 3% risk per trade, US dollar against Japanese yen currency. Entry is 106.98 and stop is 106.65. When we click the calculate button, we get 194,509 currency units. So for this trade, the amount of currency units you would trade is 194,509. Our exit? Well, our exit will be, again, as with all strategy 1 trades, at point D. We're selling because we went long, we bought first, and we're selling to get out of the position. And our risk reward? Well, our risk reward is going to be, as with all strategy 1 trades, a 3-to-1 risk reward because we have a fixed entry and a fixed exit. So I hope these examples are helping you learn this strategy more. Let's move on now to the strategy 2 trades. Go on to the next page and we'll go through a strategy 2 example now.